In this demo, we're going to look at how to access your recorded flights from the Map tab and from the Files app. First, let's look at the Files app. Open the app, look for the AltosUI folder, open the Telemetry folder, then tap on the flight you'd like to review. Our initial display shows you the launchpad and the landing location connected by the green line. On the Recover and Flight tabs, you see the details as of the end of the flight. And now let's look at accessing your flight details from the Map tab. Once you are at the Map tab, you'll see icons for your recorded flights at the various sites you've launched from. Zoom into one of your sites and then select a recorded flight icon. And if you zoom in a little closer, you'll see that it shows the launchpad and the landing location. And of course, the rest of the flight details are in the other tabs. That's it for this demo. Now you know 2 ways you can access your recorded flights and review details of each flight. Thank you for watching.